Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display and Brightness. You need to be out of any battery saver mode because that forces shorter timeouts. Once in Display, tap Sleep or Screen Timeout to reveal choices like 15s, 30s, 1 min, 5 min. You're doing this now so the system applies the change immediately. Make sure to check whether a work profile or device admin is locking settings before you continue. You now pick the timeout that fits your use. Shorter saves battery, longer keeps the screen on. Tap the desired value and the phone will usually save it instantly. If prompted, confirm the change. Once done, exit Settings and test by leaving the screen idle for slightly longer than your previous timeout to verify behavior. If behavior differs, make sure adaptive brightness or app-specific wake locks aren't preventing the change. To finish, you should verify there are no overriding controls. Go to Battery Settings and App Launch or App Power Saving to ensure the Settings app isn't restricted. If the timeout reverts after changing it, restart the phone and retest. Clearing settings cache can help. Finally, if a work profile or device admin enforces timeouts, you'll need to contact the administrator or remove that profile. Otherwise, the system will keep reverting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.